Strawberry Switchblade in session from 1982 with that particular number taken from the first session they recorded, By the Sea. A reminder that the Since Yesterday film, which we talked about yesterday, is opening this Friday. This is